In this video, I'm going to show you how to use mockups in Photoshop. Now, mockups are a great way to kind of showcase and preview your designs you want to later publish or sell to somebody, and yeah, Photoshop mockups make it really easy to kind of see how those designs look in different situations. And now, the easiest way to do this is simply by downloading a mockup to your computer, and of course having Photoshop installed on your computer. Now, the easiest way to download mockups is this website over here, which is called Graphic Burger. You can get them for free over there, and then just download them to your computer, and that's it. And now, once you've done this, you have downloaded a PSD file, and you want to open this up, and it's going to open as a Photoshop document. And this is just an example over here that I chose, and I'm going to show you with this, okay? Now, once you've opened up your mockup, all you want to do is down here on the right where there are layers, you will see a layer which is named usually like your design here or something like this, something that will tell you that you have to edit this layer, okay? So leave the others alone, don't touch them, but this one is the one we're interested in. So what you want to do over here is kind of import in your own logo, okay? So it will appear over here instead of this N66. And the way you do this is simply by selecting this layer, which is named your design here, or something along those lines, and then double-clicking on this thumbnail of this smart object. So you double-click, and it will open up this layer in a new tab up here, as you can see. And now what you want to do is hide the current layer, and then create a new one by clicking this plus icon, and just putting on there whatever you like. So you can, let's say you want to draw on there, okay? You want to, let's say, like this, put in some lines or something, it doesn't really matter. This is just an example, and then let's say I want to put in some text, so I'm going to select some text over here and type on hello, and that's it. Now I'm going to make this a bit bigger and put it somewhere over here. There we go. And that's quite ugly, but still it will show you how to do it. Now once you've done this and you have in your logo, you want to go up here to file and press save. And this will take a little bit for it to save, depending on the complexity of the smart objects. And once that's done, you can come back over here to this tab, and you'll be able to see that this design has now been applied to the previous template, okay? As you can see, it's in there. And now you can also, of course, import in your own design, okay? So I'm going to delete what I've just drawn, and just simply press this plus icon, so a new layer is created. And I'm going to drag in a random kind of logo I just downloaded, okay? Which says welcome, there we go. Make it a bit bigger, like this, and put it in the middle, over here. There we go, and then yet again, press save. And as I said, you can do this for any logo you have, but just make sure it's a PNG, so it has a transparent background, and yeah, it will look neat that way, okay? If you have a background, the background will also be applied to the layer, and it's going to look weird. So make sure the picture or the logo you're using is not does not have a background, okay? Now, as you can see, I just saved this. If we come back here, there we go. The welcome logo has now been applied to the mockup. And that's pretty much how you do it. That's it. And I hope this video helped you out, and have a good one.